Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to Mommy.
Maghintay ako ng message, anak.
Let's message you, ma'am.
My message to Mommy is that I have a prize for her. My gift for her is my grades at school. I got 5 grades because I love you. It's for you and Daddy.